Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I created this peasant blouse or off the shoulder blouse. I use knit fabric for this, but you can use pretty much whatever you want because you're going to be using elastic for the neckline. With the pattern you're going to be creating this pattern that I have up on the screen, and just make sure it's big enough to fit your head through. And this is the pattern that you're going to create with the sleeves. However, the top portion not so curved as what I have drawn here. And just make sure that slanted bit on the side is as big as the slanted bit on the shirt, because that's where you're going to be attaching the sleeves. And as far as putting it together, you're going to take the slanted bit on the sleeve and the slanted bit on the shirt, and that's where you're going to sew the sleeves to the shirt. So those 4 seams, you want to take them over to your sewing machine and sew. Now, since I'm using knit fabric, I am not actually using a zigzag or stitch to do this, since it's going to be big and I don't really need the stretch on it anyway. And this shirt is easily created with a serger. The only bit that you'll need for the sewing machine part is making the channel for the elastic. And I guess I forgot to hit record when doing this, but once all 4 seams are sewn, go ahead and match up the points underneath the arm together, so that way you can sew from the end of the sleeve all the way down to the end of the shirt. And I do use my serger to clean up the edges of the neckline, the hem, and the sleeves. With the sleeves on, go ahead and roll the top or the neckline part down. You want to make sure it's big enough to put your elastic through. I am using 1/4 inch elastic for this. And then I go ahead and use a straight stitch to sew this in place. However, I do leave a little hole or an opening there so I can weave my elastic through. Once that's done, I go ahead and weave my elastic through the neckline, and I make sure it sits comfortably around my neck. And then I close up that opening. And the arms, I do the same thing by installing a channel and putting elastic through it as well and sewing up the opening. For the hem, I just roll up the hem about 1/2 inch and sew that down. And there you have a super simple shirt created, and you can wear this any way you want as far as the neckline goes. Here's some examples that I decided to show. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye!